Happy New Year, everyone. These days, it seems that cat videos are everywhere, including outer space. NASA recently sent back a 15-second cat video featuring Tatters the cat from its Psyche spacecraft 31 million kilometers away with laser beams. Laser beams are about 10 to 100 times faster at transmitting data than conventional radio signals, which NASA currently uses. The 15-second cat video transmitted 1.3 terabits of information. That's more information transmitted back to Earth than the entire Magellan space mission from 1990 to 1994. This will revolutionize interplanetary space travel forever. By the way, on January 2nd, the Earth will be closest to the Sun by 3% at 147 million kilometers due to the elliptical orbit of the Earth. My name is Mario Carr with Hamilton Amateur Astronomers. Stay safe, everyone, and remember, make sure you take the time to explore your night sky. See you next time.
In case you missed it this week,